Coming up with video ideas can be challenging, especially if you're a new YouTuber. And not only do you want to come up with great video ideas, but you want to create YouTube videos that get lots of views. In this video, you'll discover 10 different ways on how to get video ideas for YouTube. So let's just dive right in. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, the tips, the strategies so you can start an online business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I'm creating weekly content. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified whenever I put out my videos. With YouTube, you hear a lot about optimizing your title, your description, your tags, but what's really important is your content. And as a new YouTuber myself, I know the struggle of coming up with content idea to put out weekly videos. And that's why I wanted to put together this top 10 list. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you a tip that you might not have heard before. Tip number 1 is to use YouTube or Google's search autocomplete. Now let me show you what that is. So if I go to Google, for instance, and I start typing in a word, it comes up with a list of different things that people are searching for. Now, one of the big mistakes that new YouTubers make is they create videos around topics they think people want to watch, instead of creating topics around things that people are actually searching for. And that is what you'll see with Google or YouTube autocomplete. These are topics that people have actually typed into these search engines. So what I want to mention is that when you use the Google or YouTube search autocomplete, it doesn't give you how many people are searching for this per month. Now, to get that kind of information, you're going to need a tool called Keywords Anywhere, and that is my tip number 2. Now, this is a paid for Chrome extension, but it's well worth the price. I think it's like $10 per 100,000 searches, and it's well worth it because you won't use that much in a month. So what this does is if I search for a specific term, for instance, if I search for keto diet, it comes up with a list of related searches. And it also tells me how many people are looking for this particular term per month. So I can look for a term that's getting good volume, good amount of searches per month, and I can create a YouTube video around that topic. Tip number 3 is to use a website called answerthepublic.com. Let me show you how you can use this. So let's say I have keto diet as my topic. Now I can type in keto diet and search on this. And what is returned are all of the different questions related to the keto diet. Now, these are questions that people are asking. So for instance, what keto diet is the best? Or will keto diet reduce cellulite? Or why is the keto diet bad? Or are keto diet pills safe? These are all different topics that you can do videos around because you know that people are searching for answers to these questions. So this is a great way to find different topics that you can do videos on. Another tool I recommend is Google Trends. Now, what I love about this tool is not only does it tell you what the hot trending topics are, but it also lets you know when you should hit those topics. So let me give you an example. As I post this video, St. Patrick's Day is coming, and let's say that I want to create a video on the best St. Patrick's Day recipes for the keto diet. Now, you would think that I should put that out towards March as we get closer to St. Patrick's Day. But if you go to Google Trends, you can see that I should have started putting out videos on this in February. Now, what you want to try to do is hit those videos or put those videos out when the trend is starting to go on the upslope, because what would happen is your video will get more and more views as that topic becomes hotter and hotter and hotter. One of the best ways to get views on your videos is to answer questions or solve problems that people have. And one of the best places you can go to find out what those problems, what those questions are, is a website called Quora.com. So I can search Quora and I can look for different questions people are asking, and then I can go create videos answering those questions. I'm on Quora right now, and let's say my video topic is about the keto diet. So I would go to Quora, type in keto diet, hit enter, And I can see all of the different questions that people are asking related to the keto diet. So for instance, what is the keto diet? What are the benefits of keto diet? Is keto dieting safe? These are different questions that people are asking, and I can create video topics answering these questions. That's another great source of video content ideas, is going to a website like Quora.com or any other question and ask website, looking at the questions and then creating a video answering those questions. Another great source for questions is just to ask your audience. So if you have a YouTube channel and you're creating videos, you can ask people to comment down below and say, hey, what topics would you like me to see next? Now, I'm not suggesting that you create a whole video asking for topics. What I'm suggesting is during one of your videos where you're putting together content, you ask that question, and your audience can give you great ideas for your next video topic. Or let's say you're a new YouTuber and you don't have a large following yet. Well, you can go to Facebook groups or other social media accounts and search through the different groups and look at the questions that people are asking there. And that's another source of content idea, because you can go into these groups, look at the questions, and then create video content around those questions. Another content idea strategy is to go to popular channels, YouTube channels within your niche. So for instance, if I were in the keto diet niche, I could go to Ruled Me and I could go to her videos and see which of her videos, if I sort by most popular, which of her videos are getting the most views. So for instance, I can see what keto cooking, keto food list is getting 2.5 million views, and this is for a video that was created a year ago. Now I could create a video similar to this. Notice how I didn't say copy her video. What I am suggesting is you create a similar idea with your own spin, maybe your own tips, your own strategies, but that are similar to her video, because not only do you know that people are searching for this video based on the number of views it has, but also you can potentially get listed if it's a similar video. If someone were to go watch her video, you could be listed in the suggested views. And that is a great way to drive traffic, views to your YouTube video, especially if you're a new YouTuber. The next tip I have is to use a tool called vidIQ, and this is a tool that I love to use with all of my videos, and you can sign up for free. I'll leave a link down below. But vidIQ gives you a really cool tab called Trending, and it's an additional button that you get once you install vidIQ, and it gives you the velocity of the videos of this specific channel. So for instance, this channel here with Ruled Me, I can see that her keto recipe low carb fried mac and cheese is getting 12.8 views per hour, or this video here is getting 8.5 views per hour. These are videos that were done 3 years ago and a year ago, so I know these are still relevant topics that people are still searching and looking for videos on. So these are other ideas that I can have for my YouTube videos. So while you're on a popular channel within your niche, why not go through some of their videos and check all the questions within the comments of those videos? Because those questions could go unanswered because they're not viewed by the content creator. So this could be another source of content ideas for your YouTube videos. So the last tip I have for how to come up with YouTube content ideas is to use a method my mentor taught me, which is called invest, learn, and teach. Now what is this? Well, let's use the keto diet as an example again. Let's say I buy a book on keto recipes and there's a specific recipe in there that I like and I've tried and it worked for me. What I can do is I can create a video around that recipe, show people how to make that recipe, and then the results I got. An example that's related to me in my niche is a tool called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a tool that I purchased. It's a tool that I use. It's a tool that I learned to use, and I can create YouTube videos around ClickFunnels showing other people how to use ClickFunnels, different ways you can use it in your business, and the results that I got from it. And a bonus with this invest, learn, teach method is if someone buys buys ClickFunnels through a link that I leave in my description, then I earn a small commission. And that is a great way to make money from your YouTube videos, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. And if you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link down below for a free course that'll show you how you can monetize your YouTube videos by selling other people's products. So those are my 10 tips for how to get video ideas for your YouTube videos. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know what topic you want me to do next. See how I did that? And if you're new, please consider subscribing, as I'm putting out weekly content on how to create an online business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Inspiration for your... Okay. So you can start an online business. Bah. All right. The whole point of, well, not the whole point. You can use keywords anywhere. Keywords anywhere? Everywhere.